Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, makeup tutorial by request. If you want to see this look, then just hang out. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye first to remember how I did my makeup last time to make sure that I was doing it correctly. But before we get into the eye, let's go ahead and finish the rest of the face. I've already done my foundation, eyebrows, concealer. I will list all of the products down in the description box so that you can find them and you know exactly what I used. Oh, it's thundering. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm using Nars Laguna bronzer. I found this at Marshall's. I couldn't resist. I mean, the light is really kind of blowing it out, but it's a very light tone. It's very much like between Hoola and Hoola Light from Benefit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Nars Laguna bronzer on just a round powder brush and just contour in the regular areas I like to do up at my hairline. It's really quite a lovely bronzer. I understand why everybody loses their mind over it, but lucky me, I got it in the bargain bin. I feel like I've had some really good luck at Marshall's lately. It's very atypical. I normally don't find much of anything at my particular Marshall's, but lucky me. Next blush, I used this Alamar blush trio that came in a BoxyCharm a while ago. Whoa, the lights are so bright. I'm mixing like the darkest peachy tone and the mauvey pink, and then just warming up my cheeks. I'm taking a little bit higher than, you know, you might think to take it, but snatches everything back. It's awesome. My lips are shiny right now because I just have some lip plumper on. I think that's good for blush. Highlighter. Okay, so in that look, when I was getting ready to film that video, I was just kind of playing in my makeup and I was listening to a podcast and I just kind of got lost in it and stopped paying attention, and I just went really ham with the highlighter. So that's what we're doing. So the highlighter that I used is this pretty Vulgar highlighter in Shimmering Swan. This also came in a BoxyCharm. Full face of BoxyCharm, looks like. Yes, sir. We are highlighting until the cows come home. What time is that exactly? Seems like it might be pretty early. Okay. Get to it, to the main event. This is going really fast. I was actually really surprised to get so many requests for this look, so thank you very much for appreciating that look. Okay, so I am using the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette. This, I think, came in one of my earliest BoxyCharms or some other subscription box, but anyways, it's one of Colourpop's loveliest palettes, I think. Look at these tones. So this palette is well loved, as you can see. It's a banger. Anytime I'm traveling, I typically gravitate towards these kinds of tones because they're pretty easy to work with. You can get a natural look out of this. You can get like a Shazam. Okay, with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into this color, Moonstruck. Nope, it's not Moonstruck. It's Two Peas. I don't know how to read palettes. I'm just kind of laying this all over. This is my transition color. I'm probably gonna end up covering this up, but you know what? It's gonna help me blend. We're bringing it pretty high up on this brow, getting pretty friendly there. Just creates a really beautiful color blend. And we're getting real friendly on this eye bag. Putting color like this under your eye hides a multitude of sins. There is a lot going on under this eye. Very tired. All right, so I brought the color under the eye, in the crease transition area up here to the brow, and then a little bit in this outer V. Let's dip into Want You Back and Winning Ticket. So these two like pinky mauve tones and like maybe a little tiny dab of Look-See. Just a little bit. I try to not get too much of this because it ends up looking like a bruise. I need people thinking that I got punched. Okay, so I'm taking those mauvey tones and just one little boop of Look-See, that purple color, and we're doing the crease. We're taking those same colors and we are running them under the outer portion of the under eye from the iris, the colored part of your eye, out. And we're blending. If it feels haphazard, you're doing it right. We're just looking for like a hint, it's like a hint of pink. So when you're looking at the eye makeup, you can't tell, is that brown? Is that pink? Is that peach? Yes. The answer is yes, all of the above. Okay, now with an angled brush, I'm going to dip into, what is this called? Sparks Fly. It's the darkest, deepest tone. It's like a nice chocolatey brown. It's a neutrally kind of brown, dare I say, maybe even a little cool. We got on this angled, fluffy guy, and I'm going to tap that into my outer corner. The angle of this brush hugs your eye very nicely. We're bringing the color just in this outer corner, and then turn your brush around so that the long part is now in your crease. And we're using that to kind of help carry that color. This is like a feather-light touch, by the way. Carry that color up towards that brow. It's like a whisper of it. Be careful here, you don't want to create like a weird stripe. I have a little bit of skipping. Don't worry if you have skipping too. You just take your original fluffy brush, dip into one of the middle color tones, and help blend. We're gonna put some more stuff on there anyway, so don't worry about it. You're also taking that color in that outer corner. It's kind of a smoky look, but not really. It's like a secret smoky look. Just keep kind of blending and adding and blending and adding until you like it. Nice. Okay, now with this color Candy Graham, it's like a pink with a gold shift, and Moonstruck, that's this darker of the two lightest shimmer shades. This is like a shader brush. I'm just dipping into kind of both and making sort of a custom color. So it has that pink tone, but it's bright with the gold. And we're just going to tap that onto the front part of the eye, the inner part. So I mixed that pink in there because it, you know, it's just a little bit more interesting. It's a little less stark than just like that bright gold color. Taking that fluffy brush and just blending that edge. Then dipping into FBO, this one. It's a shimmer foiled mauve color. I'm gonna use that to help blend this dark corner with this light corner. So I'm just tapping it along that transition edge towards the center. Gorgeous! That's that for the eyeshadow. Actually, that's not it. Keep this handy because you're gonna need it in a second. One of the secrets of this look that you wouldn't have suspected until I told you about it is bronze eyeliner in the waterline. This is Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the color Overboard. It's a really beautiful bronze that you can't see because my camera won't focus. I'm just gonna run it in my lower waterline. So to do that without ruining my makeup is I'm gonna use a beauty sponge. Gorge. You're gonna get the definition and the drama without the too harshness. Now let's put on a coat of mascara on top and bottom. I should have done this on my left eye first. It's good enough for government work. Now we're going to apply some false eyelashes. I'm just going to put a little bit of eyelash glue right on my upper lash line. I have already prepared my lashes. These lashes are the Allure Nicole Guerrero collaboration. I love them, they're awesome. With lashes on, I'm gonna take a little bit of liquid liner. This is the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just going to trace along this upper lash line. All I'm doing is kind of hiding the lash band a little bit. Ta-da! Probably could use another coat of mascara on the bottom lashes, because now they look a little pitiful with these big bad mamma jammas on top. Okay, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the Colourpop palette and I'm going to dip into this color right here, the Knot. The Knot, it's the lightest shimmer shade. I'm just gonna use this tiny little pencil brush. I'm gonna dip into that color next to it too, just to kind of soften this a little bit. And we're using this as intercontour highlight and underneath just a skosh. When I'm concentrating, I am talking so low, I'm sorry. It is time for lips. Let me wipe off this lip injection crap. Do my lips look double the size? No, they don't. I've recently discovered these lip liners by Gerard Cosmetics. You can't see, but anyways, these are Gerard Cosmetics lip pencils. This is the color Nude. I love this color. We're just gonna run that on around those lips. Then the lip color is this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. Wow, I'm really good at this. The lip color is this Becca Ultimate Love lipstick in the color Tulip. Ooh, there's a hair on there. It's cat hair from my cat. I got a Becca lipstick in a BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and the color that came, it was called like a chocolate or something like that, and I didn't love it. I ended up trading it. I'm pretty sure that I traded it. I did. I gave it to Erin, and this is the color that Erin got, which was meant for me. It's not focusing. Anyways, the color that I got was meant for Erin. The color that she got was meant for me, so we just switched. These Becca lipsticks are super nice. Well, at least this one is. It's very creamy, it's very hydrating, it's very easy to wear, and the color's beautiful. Ooh, and there's a magnet closure. Ooh, so satisfying. One more time. Yeah. I think this is the finished look. I hope it's correct. I hope it's similar. Let me look at my phone. This is the finished makeup look. So all of the products that I used are going to be down in the description box with links so you can find them. People keep saying that nobody's watching makeup tutorials anymore. I think that's a load of baloney. I'm watching them. I'm loving them. Do you guys like makeup tutorials? Do you like this kind of style of makeup tutorial where maybe I don't show you like the entire boringness of everything, or do you want to see everything from start to finish? Let me know. Okay, so thanks so much for the request. I hope that you liked it. I love doing makeup tutorials, like I told you before, and I'm really happy that you like watching them. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this one, then consider subscribing. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday at noon. You can also follow me on all my other socials. Everything is on the screen. Don't forget to go check out Instagram to reveal the winner of the giveaway from last week. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much for commenting. I hope you really enjoy your prize. I think that is it for now. I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! You guys are good tutorialers. This is a recent, wow, I'm terrible at this. No. Oh my god, freaking idiot. Fucking booger, man. Focus, you piece of shit. Good look at, are you gonna focus? No? Towards these tines.